Hi everyone, Caitlin Moxley here. I've had, I guess this is two instances now, where it's been brought up about giving students additional attempts for one individual student and not necessarily for the whole class. So this is what you do. Go to the quiz or the exam, the test in which you need to give an additional attempt. Go to moderate this quiz. Once you're here, you'll see the students listed. Go to the pencil icon out to the far right, and then you can assign extra attempts, or if you have students that say have an IEP and they need additional time, this is where you would go to assign additional time for just that student. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out.